think about you. Prepare to leave my body when the time it comes through. Loving on you till the time it comes through. Why you always hate to break bread? Think about the way that you would feel if never said. Joke's on you when it's time to come through. Well, if she had to choose me or her mom, I know I wouldn't last long, yeah. No problem with the truth. But when she made me laugh, you knew.
What do you call a cute volcano? Lava ball. Hi, I'm Tony. Today we are making a volcano out of all my old schoolwork. Yes, this.
Listen.
Materials. I have this how to make a volcano little packet that I printed out from online. It's super cute. Like, if y'all are just bored and want something to do, highly recommend. Like, look how cute this is. Like, ah! Okay. Anyways, I have a bowl to hold the paper mache. Thing of glue right here. Definitely overkill, but I just had it in the house. Don't ask me why. I have this big water bottle. Like, it's large. It's the size of my head. My head is pretty big too. It's crazy, yeah. I have some Tough Grip heavy duty tape, some magazines and newspaper to make a smooth outer layer for the volcano. Technically, you're supposed to be using all newspaper to do this, but like, I mean, I think I'll be fine. Oh, also have this plastic tray to build it on top of. From the article, plastic or a cardboard tray works really well, but I just didn't want to build a cardboard tray, and I'll just like wash this off when I'm done. AP English, wow, she got a 100. We're proud of her. DBQs. What class? This is World History AP. No, ma'am. I'm just taping everything down. Having a good base, I'm talking like I know what I'm talking about. Having a good base is key because it makes a good shape for the volcano. Okay, but you can't tell me that a volcano isn't just a mountain that hiccups. Period. I'm literally gonna hate editing this so much. It's okay editing for me. I still love you. Even if the feeling isn't mutual. Our paper mache station has moved into the bathroom because it started raining outside. So we're just gonna be vibing in here now. Alrighty, so I wish I was taller. So it's mostly dry. I'm just gonna let it air dry overnight and we're gonna see how it looks tomorrow morning. Alrighty. I have decided to name him Mimir because Mimir is a Norse figure or person, and his name stands for knowledge, basically, and like being wise. And what a better word, you know, high school, the acquisition of knowledge, all that jazz. Also fitting, this newspaper is actually from New Year's Eve. I'm going to paint now. Alrighty, here we are, we're outside, we're about to explode this. I have food coloring, baking soda, warm water, and vinegar. A lot of vinegar, yeah, yummy. Thanks to my brother who's helping me film, real awesome. First you're supposed to put in 2 to 4 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm just gonna like eyeball it. It's not coming out. Oh shoot. Love that for us. Anyway, I'm gonna do way more than 2 to 4 teaspoons, just kind of how much that I feel like doing, because I want a really big explosion. That should be enough. I'll add a little more. Next, you're supposed to add warm water with food dye. By the way, I'm a volcano expert. It's meant for cupcakes, but I'm gonna hope that it works. Oh. Time for the vinegar and time for the explosion. Let's go. Woo! Cool. That was nice. More. Oh, shoot. Okay. More. All right. And even more. Guys, I think this was a success. Today's subscriber shout out goes out to Iffy. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.
Bye.
Smells gross.